For that update tonight. Another top story from Power City. A federal appeals court has reversed a permit for the Port Arthur LNG facility.
This ruling leaves the future of Sempra's Port Arthur LNG in limbo. Now, the Port Arthur Community Action Network, known as Pecan, brought this lawsuit. Attorneys said that Texas regulators, read there, the TCEQ, failed to follow the Federal Clean Air Act, and an appeals court agreed.
Tonight, 12 News reporter Kayla Chote spoke with Lone Star Legal Aid, who represents Pecan. Kayla.
Brenda Jordan, lawyers for Lone Star Legal Aid, are calling this a big win for environmental advocates. But I spoke with Mayor Thurman Bartee, who is calling this a big blow to the city.
It was good news. It was welcome news.
Port Arthur native John Beard is a refinery worker turned environmental activist. He is the founder and CEO of Pecan, the Port Arthur Community Action Network. He's been fighting Sempra's plans to build an LNG facility in his hometown for the last 3 years.
End of a long road, at least at this point it is. We don't know if the company is going to appeal or not.
Lone Star Legal Aid helped Beard take on Sempra and the TCEQ. In the lawsuit, Lone Star Legal Aid argues Texas regulators failed to follow the Federal Clean Air Act.
Sempra can do better because Sempra can actually pollute less.
One of the most compelling pieces of evidence, a TCEQ permit for another LNG facility in Brownsville. That permit shows a reduced emissions rate for certain toxins. It didn't match the emissions rate on the permit for Port Arthur LNG.
They, in a very discriminatory and capricious way, decided not to use the best available control technology, which would reduce their emissions by over 40%. And so it forced us to have to go the legal route through the court system in order to seek some justice.
12 News spoke with Mayor Thurman Bartee by phone.
I don't want anything to be harmful for the citizens. But at the same time, I don't want to do something that's going to harm the industry.
Sempra still has a chance to appeal this decision.
And I am not going to be a part of something that would call for the total eradication of an industry that has sustained my city for 125 years.